Morning, everybody. Hold on. Morning, everybody. Welcome. Oh, wait, my Apple Pencil. Why am I so unprepared? Morning, everybody. Today, it's been snowing. As you know, we live in Canada, and in Canada, it snows like so much. And I just put this down. So, I'm gonna be waking up my family. Except my husband, because I'm gonna prank him and put slime in his hair today. What? Of course I have to prep. I literally just woke up and my face is a disaster. So yeah, I'm gonna need some moments to get ready. "20 minutes later. Done. Just a little bit more. Perfect. I just do not want my baby storm to wake up, because like she's an angel, and she can't have perfume, so yeah, but I have like a lot, so yeah. I have 2 phones, one just in case this phone dies, so I can use this one, mostly though. And when it's dead, I charge it, and while it's charging, I use this phone, just in case. Let me just check the family group chat for any, Christmas, updates, so yeah. I'm gonna be turning this a bit down. Whoa, there's a lot of updates. We're going to have, so much fun. Guys, oh, they're having so much fun. We should go play outside today. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Let me go just turn on the lights. Actually, I'll just use my computer instead. I need to do some work. Hold on. Pretend she taps in the passcode. Huh? What happened? How is this not turning on? No! I need this. I have a meeting today. Oh my god. What am I gonna do? My life is ruined. I need to check the family group chat, but at least I can use my phone. But I need a bigger screen. The words are too small on there. Ugh. This cannot be happening to me. I need to wake him up now. I need to literally wake him up. My husband is so annoying. Okay, just gotta get some water. Wait. I wasn't supposed to get that. Pretend there's no water, guys, because, What? No water? How? I guess I have to use the 3-month-old water that's been laying here. Oh well, he's still water. Plus, he's not like he's drinking it. In the cup you go. Well, he's gonna be annoyed with this one because this is 3-month-old water baby. And it's hot from the stove. I was gonna be like so annoyed. Oh, but I don't want the beddings to come out. I'll dump it on his pores down. Pores. Help! Why'd you just pour that on me? Sorry, can't handle a joke. Shush, baby Storm is sleeping. Why'd you wake me up? Ew, is that 3-month-old water? Yes it is. Why? Because the electric, everything electric, the stove, everything won't turn on. That's why I woke you up to go to the power thingy. Can't you do that yourself? Plus, I'm literally just woke up. So get ready and get outside and fix the freaking power thing. Or else I'm gonna get it. No, it's like, what time is it? It's 9 a.m. in the morning. And you seriously wake me up? Yes! I wake up at literally 7 a.m. every morning to get ready, just wake up and wake all of y'all kids up. And the least you could do is just fix the power for me. Will ya? Fine. Get ready. I'll go outside. Wait, where's his power thing? Gotta close that because it's too cold. Can't let the air in, even though the backyard is open. Oh my god. Anyways, let's just get his tools, guys. Because he's gonna need them. I'm just gonna get rid of these and fill them up with tools, guys. Who's your bias? I'm your bias. Who's your bias? I'm your bias. What? Oh my gosh. Just gonna do this. Okay, do it yourself. Oh wait, wrong floor. And it's deep in the basement. So guys, yeah. Might have forgotten that bit, so yeah. I forgot to add a little power thing, guys, so this is gonna take a while. Okay, there's the electric thing, eh? There's this. And there's gotta be this. And there's 2 in here. And there's a regular. Perfect. Anyways, let's get him. Okay, I actually don't know how to do this. So let me just like set a tutorial real quick. Yes. I'm a grown man and I don't know what to do, so I'm using a tutorial. How bad is that? Oh, there's some heaters. We could use that. I'm just gonna do that. Screech, screech. Twist, twist, twist. Wait, he only has one hand. Bang, bang, bang. Screech, screech, screech. Okay, time to work on the air thing. It says, okay, now you gotta work on the air vent. This is the air vent, and if dust gets in it, it will stop working. And if you suddenly just happens in the middle of your day, and it's not even like because of like energy or like your power solar thing, don't worry, it's just because of the dust. You just gotta clean it out. Open it. Look, there is so much dust. Okay, I guess I just gotta clean it now. Wait, he needs wipes. Okay, there. Okay, wash that. Wait, what? Okay, now after that, all you gotta do is just switch it on. Okay, sounds easy enough. Put my cleaning supply down. Okay, now I'm just gonna try turn on the heater because it's an electric thing. And let's see if it works. It works, yes. Okay, that's good news. But I'm gonna save its energy. Put that alarm on though. And let's get everything. Let's go up to level 2. I think she'll be proud because we got a heater. Oh wait, I forgot the bedroom's level 3. Honey, look what I found. I found 2 heaters. 2? Okay, give one to the kids. We'll keep one in here. Actually, yeah, I guess. Well, I'll just buy another heater for downstairs. Guys, I'm using my left hand, so it might be a little bit shaky. Anyways, I'm just gonna wake up Storm. Stormy, sweetie, wake up. I don't know if she wants to wake up right now, but let's give it a try. Oh, you're happy to morning. Oh. Okay, we're gonna get your milk now. Let's go downstairs. Oh, it's just laying in there. Yep, I told you I did. I'm just really formally. I'm going back in my PJs actually. Oh my goodness. Go to level 2 and wake up the kids because they need to wake up. By the way, you guys, this is Storm's little nursery. Sometimes she sleeps there too. Guys, this is Storm's little nursery. She sleeps here. She plays here too. She's just learned how to get on this bridge. Come on, Storm. Oh, she doesn't want to show you guys right now. I think she wants her milk. Okay. She does want her milk, so we're gonna do that. Wait, where's her binky thing? Guys, if you don't know, she has a binky thing. And I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. snowstorm. I'm gonna take out your binky, okay? You have to drink your milk, and you can't without your binky on. Okay, good. Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm carrying this. Kids, guess what? Hey, have you been awake all night? No, we just woke up because we heard you. Yeah? What's up? Well, I know you can't fit in your bed because of the chair there. It's okay, I'm going to be fixing it soon. There won't be a chair there. And it'll just be a bed, so let's just remove that real quick. Just put the bed up a bit. There we go. Whoa. That's a cool heater, Dad. How do you know what this is? You're literally only like 6 or 7. 6, 7, 6, 7. Your little brain rot minds. Anyways, here you go. Is this for us? Yeah. What do you think I was bringing it for? I don't know. I think you were just holding it. And we were moving stuff in because we just moved here. I know. We lived in here. We lived in that other house. We lived to the midtown. And now we live in here. I know. It's a lot. But that's what I did when I was younger. You know? Anyways, I've just finished feeding your little sister. So you guys gotta go downstairs for breakfast. Oh, can't we just play on our iPads a little? You have the TV downstairs. Okay, now excuse me. The outside is so beautiful, but guys, it's just a picture. It's not the real outside. And yes, I made this picture perfect. Because look at that. It looks the exact same, but I had to draw on each side because, it's not the same picture, guys. I had to draw it like this. I had to draw the other one on the other side, which was harder on this one. So, yeah. And it looks the exact same, guys. I'm actually so shocked. But also so happy. You don't know how many copies I did to make that perfect. I don't know, I have OCD or something. They call it OC. What? I think it's called OCD. But yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna go downstairs and make a healthy breakfast for my family. Hopefully the energy on the stove is completed as well. Hey, wait for me. I want to chill on the couch. Wait for us. You can't leave us upstairs. That's not legal. Yes, it is legal to leave your children upstairs, actually. Well, we feel lonely and scared without you. Okay, that's just insecurities. Anyways, let's head upstairs. Downstairs. I'm forgetting myself. Anyways, we just got downstairs, so I'm gonna let you two go. And your dad's gonna take care of you. Well, Dad doesn't look after us. I know, but I'm cooking. Can't you just be good for a few seconds? No. Guys, I know you're wondering why is he blonde. I swear, I will change the dad's hair soon. It's just he dyed his hair. Because I thought it would look better. The dad dyed his hair. I promise he's fine. Okay? I promise. Anyways, I'm gonna play inside the big fort. Oh my goodness. It's so big. I know. Look inside. It's even better. Whoa. Can I come in? Sure, you're my sibling anyways. Yeah. Do it. Alright, I'm doing it. Daddy. Oops. Oh my goodness. I just, was standing there. What is it? Why are you guys crying? We bunked our heads when we were, closing our eyes and, moving around pretending to be zombies. Oh my goodness. You bumped into each other? Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Puts his phone down, carries both children. It's okay, I got you. I wasn't even able to get to my kitchen and they're already crying. Oh my goodness. I'm coming. What happened to my babies? Jonathan! Well, they were inside the fort and closing their eyes, and they bunked into each other because they were pretending to be mummies and they closed their eyes. Oh my goodness. Are my children okay? Give me my children. Here. Be a man, Jonathan. Be a man, don't cry. And then it was just like, "Pagonk." Oh my gosh, it was just like, "Pagonk." That's such a funny sound. Oh my god. Just pretend she's not farting. Pretend that's her face like that. And then it was just like, "Cha!" After, because we fell down. And then it was bing, bong, bang, because we both hit the thing right here on our heads. I'm sorry, I can't. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Okay, I won't laugh. I'll get you guys bandages. Just sit down on the couch right now. Jonathan, you didn't even put their show on. Oh my goodness. I'll get their show. Because they love this show. They're happy. It's that really slow snail. Yeah, that really slow snail is almost there. Almost there. Are you serious? A cap cut? Well, I'm going. Bye. Anyways, guys, let's get right to cooking. I've been thinking about making waffles actually, so I just got this thing and it makes waffles. That's all I know, so let's do it. Oh my goodness, stay on the table. Actually, just stay there. Breakfast's gonna be ready in 0 time. Cause everybody loves waffles and they only are able to finish 1 waffle. So I'm just gonna give them 1 waffle each cause if I give them too much, they're gonna vomit. And she can't eat that stuff, so baby Storm can't eat that, so she'll be eating her little baby food here. So yeah, guys. Are you kidding me? What? There. Anyways, we're just gonna do this. And I love this plate. It's so cute. It's like a crumble cookie thing. So I'm gonna give my husband... Wait, no. I'm giving my husband this one because he loves crumble. I forgot what it's called, but there's a food that looks like that. And he loves food, and he loves that. So, yeah. I'm gonna lay it out on the breakfast table now. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna be cheating and use my fingers for this one, 'cause, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Why can't we freaking move? What the freak? That just outraged me. Whoa, I'm carrying so much things. Yes, it does matter what plate you get. So making sure it's in order, because that's the logic of my family. If you don't get your right order, your mom hates you. And I don't want them to think that. Oh wait, Storm's still in the kitchen. What? I forgot her. Oh my gosh. We need to get Storm back. So let's get her back with my Apple Pencil. My Apple Pencil is my baby, guys. It turned off. Guys, luckily my tablet charger is the same charger I need for my Apple Pencil. So yeah. Is it okay if Mom eats first, sweetie? No? Okay. Well, it is for today. Gonna be okay. I say I got my fork, but how is it flying to me? Oh my gosh, we gotta go like in front of you, cause like you guys are so small we won't be able to see you. So switch plates for a switcher room. Okay. There. Give fork. Nom 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 nom. Can I get mine with whipped cream? No one's got theirs with whipped cream, so just eat it. Okay. Okay. Anyways, here you go, baby star. That was a big bite. Anyways, I'll collect in the plates. So, yeah, guys. Let me just put... Oh... Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head. Do not go outside. It is freezing cold. You will freeze to death out there. Don't let them go outside, okay? Jonathan, if you let them go outside, you will not be seeing your PlayStation forever. And forever means like a whole year. And I'm gonna wash these dishes. If I hear any crying, you're grounded. Or Jonathan, you're not even seeing your PlayStation for 5 whole years. Not until GTA 6 comes out. Obviously, I do not wash the forks because they're so tiny. And they won't know. So, it's time to wash these bad boys. This is going to take ages. Put some water on it. Yep, done. Next. Wash, wash, wash. Oops. Speed this up. Done. Finally. That was some hard work to do. But now I think I'm just gonna make an extra waffle for me. You know, I do deserve it. But why can't I eat it? Hold on, wait guys, I'm gonna throw that one in the trash. But I guess I won't be getting one because I do not want to run out of waffle mix. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna make everyone a hot chocolate. So let's go make everyone a hot chocolate. Everybody hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, baby. Storm will have her first hot chocolate ever. Yay! Okay, line up, line up, line up. Dad, here's your one. What about the babies? She will have hers after. Alright, I'm done. Now I can have mine. My little babies later. My turn, my turn. The blue cup. Okay, here you go. Yay, dib, dib, dib. So good. I want my pink, my red one. It's cute. It's a little owl. Tweet double. So good. Oh, it's your turn. Well, I guess this is the last one that has an animal on it. Here's your first one ever. Did you poop your diaper? Oh, you didn't. You're just tricking me. Well, just gonna put this in. We finished. Yep. Well, I haven't gotten mine. And of course, I can't just have it like this. I'm having mine with milk and coffee. So, yeah. Even darker, but darker. Guys, if you know that milk doesn't work, so I'm just gonna be cheating for a couple of seconds. But your eyes don't see what I see. Can the editor please edit this bit out? Okay, that's a no, I think. Because I'm the editor and I don't want to do it. Mom? Yeah? That's some really light coffee you got there. I know. But trust me, it's really good. So good. It didn't look like you drank anything because the cup's insides were the same color of that drink. You made it. You know. Anyways, I would like to wash the dishes now, so yeah. Why is it on your head? Anyways, you guys can go. Yay! I'm gonna hide in here. He won't find me. I'm gonna watch the show. Sissy, come. I know your hiding spot. You're hiding in near the tree. Oh, how'd you know? I literally walk faster than that snail. Oh, true. Pretend she's not drinking it and she just washes it out, guys. Because, like, you know when you put it in there, it just goes in. So, yeah. Guys, why is this so ASMR? Oh, wait, wrong side. There we go. Close the doors and put that there. Wash my hands, you know. And now I just gotta clean the table. Wait, is this his phone? Ugh. Jonathan. A message? Who could that be from? A little sneak peek won't hurt. His mom. Uh-huh. I can't wait to surprise. Wait. Me? How? I can't. Hold on. It says, I can't wait to surprise Angel so badly. She's gonna have the time of her life. What? We're not even married yet. And they're surprising me? But what? I don't know, but I hope the surprise is good. I do not want to ruin their surprise. It'll be really sad, so I'll just keep a secret that I know. I'll keep acting mad, but I'm so happy he's getting me a surprise. I just cleaned the thing on the floor because it's messy, guys, so I just clean everything else now. Everything's coming together again. What? I need to get a new cleaning supply. This does nothing, guys, but I'm gonna use it anyways. Just gonna put this here and use this to maybe shoot away this. Why won't the crack disappear? I guess I'm leaving it. It's not like I can fix it anyways. I'm just gonna check that message. Okay. Hey babe, you got a message from your mom. Is talking something about a surprise? I can't let her know. Oh, what surprise? I don't know anything about any surprise. Oh, here, you can just read it. I just don't know why it's on me. I'm honestly I'm really confused if you don't know. And she's talking about it. And I see that there's a few texts going there, like a lot of texts about the surprise. So, yeah. You read my phone? How dare you? I literally have private messages on there. You cannot read. But I'm your literal girlfriend and we have 2 kids together. Why can't I read your phone? I have a secret that I don't want you to know. Here, just take her. Ugh. I really don't want to act mean, but I can't let her know. Not yet. She's gonna freak out. Maybe it's a different angel. Maybe it's his co-workers from work. It can't be me if he's acting like that. Maybe he's getting them flowers. It's birthday or something. It's not me. Just gotta keep smiling for the kids though. Else they'll think I'm sad as well. Just try to help me. Don't want them to be sad. Okay, Storm. Let's go and actually I'm gonna name Storm now Emma. Okay, Emma, let's go to the play thing. I know it's kind of cold, but yeah. Hold on, do we have a hat for babies? I'm gonna see if this hat fits her. It fits her what? What about this little cake? Her bald little head. Guys, I wish they would turn it mini versions though. Because like, if there was mini versions that actually stuck to the kid, I would be so happy. You know, because like, I want babies to be able to wear stuff too. I know they can wear sleeping bags and stuff, but like, I want them to be able, and like blankets and stuff, like the Plushie pack, but I want them to be actually wear headbands, you know, and stuff. It's really cute. Just gonna put Emma in a little blanket for a bit because she's a bit cold, guys. She's been bugging me all morning about it, so I finally let her have it. Me and Emma are just going to the playgroup, okay, kids? Okay, Mommy. Bye-bye. Love you, Emma. Love you, Emma. What's Emma's response? Oh, she said she loves you back. Bye, kids. I'm just gonna check the family group chat in case of anything, because that was kind of suspicious, so I'll just go to our room first. Then I'll go to Emma's play place. Oh, my phone is ringing. Hold on. I'm just gonna check this, Emma. Oh, there's nothing about any surprise or anything. That's weird. What could possibly be going? I have no idea what's happening. What if he's like talking to somebody else? What if he likes somebody else and not telling me? What if he's talking about my family behind my back? Just really don't want to leave him because I really love him. I don't know. Oh, not now, sweetie. Okay. Take off your blanket. Actually, you can keep your blanket on. Wait. Keep your blanket on and I'll let you slide down. Guys, it's gonna have to be like this because don't focus on the characters. Focus on them because I can't. I just can't slide there. love you, sweetie. Mwah. I'll just take a Facebook selfie of me and you. Cheese. Ka-chink. Ka-chink, ka-chink, ka-chink. There, I got the photo. Let's check it out. So, let's check it out, Emma. Wow, it looks so cute. I'm gonna post it all over Instagram and Facebook. Maybe then they'll recognize me. Okay, finally, like, finished editing. Now I'm just gonna post it. 3, 2, 1, post. Comments blow up. Whoa, I have so many fans. I'm gonna check everything out. She's so beautiful. Your baby is so cute. Of course I'm gonna reply back. Why won't I? Aw, thank you so much. There. Your baby is so adorable. Is it a he or a she? Okay, I need a reply. It's a she. I'm getting so many comments and likes. 1 million views on Instagram? Hold on, what about Facebook? 1,000 views on Facebook? I'm keeping my streak. Yeah. I'm keeping my streak. Yeah. I just can't believe this. I love you, stars, so much. You're gonna be my prized possession. I'm just kidding. I gotta take care of your siblings too. But you're so cute. Everybody loves you, you know? Okay, you need to learn how to crawl though. Let's go on your sessions again. And let's film it. Hey guys, so I'm back. And Emma's just gonna be crawling her because she has been very good lately at doing this. Go, Emma, go. Oh, did you get a boo-boo? Okay, let me get something real quick. Cheat codes. Yep, just got that. Using my cheat codes to be able to do this. Hey, you guys never said you wanted real stuff. I need nothing of that. Let's check in here. There's a band-aid. Okay, let me just spray your head so you won't get hurt or like any infections when I do this. Let me just get a bandage. Pretend there's a bandage on her head now. Okay, guys. And let me just give you your emergency bottle. Good. You okay, sweetie? So many comments. This is going live. I forgot. Is she okay? Oh my gosh, is your baby okay? Oh my gosh, guys. She's fine. You don't have to go crazy in the chat. She's okay, guys. She's okay. Come on, keep going. Do you not want to continue? Okay, you don't have to. Guys, we're just gonna leave her from just climbing for today because she has been injured, so she won't be going for a couple of weeks. We need her head to heal. because she's just a little baby. She's only 1. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave her from climbing. Anyways, oh, what about your other children? Oh, well, they're downstairs. Do you want to go? Let's go, like, see how they're doing, actually. And they've been really busy, so yeah. By the way, I have no idea what to name this. I'm just gonna name this the day of a day in a life of a snowstorm in, like, wait, no, a day in a life of a snowstorm. So yeah, let's go check him out. Hey guys, my live stream on YouTube is wondering how are you guys, my babies. Oh, hi mommy. Why are you recording me? I'm recording me, sweetie. Oh, well, what are you doing? Because my filmers want to know, how are you today, my sweet chicken nugget baby? Guys, I say chicken nugget baby to my little sister because she's so tiny. She's just so cute and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, let me see. Oh, chicken nugget baby. Mom, what about me? Oh, my second chicken nugget baby. Oh, nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I love you both so much. Mwah. The dad just standing there because he has nothing else to do. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you may like, follow, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Love y'all. Peace.